It's not goopy, it's not good. Hey everyone, today we're going to be making colors changing slime. First you need 4 ounces of glue. Makes funny noises. Make sure you use clear glue, or else if you use regular glue it won't work. Next we're going to put 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now we're gonna put 1/2 tablespoon of pigment powder, so like this one. Now it's time for the activator. You do 1 or 2 squirts.
Like this.
Now, if it's not goopy, it's not good. Is goopy. If it's not goopy, it's not good. Time for the final test. Grabbing the slime. I'm not ready for this? Okay, I am. Sticky situation. Now my baby sister wants to mess with the slime a little bit. Here, Paloma.
Hey.
I want to do
The what?
you want to get a Let me get that off. If it isn't goopy, it isn't good.
The dip is good.